Namaskar, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make cabbage poha recipe, dry flakes of rice. For that we are going to need a cup of cut cabbage or grated cabbage, cilantro, and our seasoning with mustard, asafoetida, turmeric, red chili powder, and little bit of cumin seeds. This is a very simple recipe. You can use it for dinner or snack. For that we are also going to use salt and sugar to taste. Let's heat the pan up to make our seasoning. Here I have about 3 to 4 measures of dry poha. This you can get in any Indian store. This is called poha thin. You can get it in a thicker version of this too, but you will then in that case have to soak it for a little bit, and then you can make the same version. Okay, our pan is all ready to go for the seasoning. Here I'm putting in just a teaspoon of oil. You don't need a whole lot for this recipe because I will be also using the freshly grated coconut. Okay, I'm adding about a teaspoon of mustard seeds. If you haven't tried this recipe or you haven't seen these pohas before, please visit any Indian local market and then you will find this in all these 3 versions. We'll put asafoetida followed by turmeric. And we are not going to add any of these ingredients into the pan. We're just going to leave the seasoning as is. Now on my pohas, I'm going to add the cut cabbage. If you have the grated one, that's perfect too. This is a very simple, quick recipe. You can add green peas to it. I've added the cilantro already. Now I'm adding red chili powder. You can add the chili powder and salt and sugar to your taste. Half teaspoon of sugar because we are going to squeeze some lemon on it. Also adding dry roasted peanuts. It's really nice with the taste. It brings out a good crunch. And on goes the seasoning. I'm just going to put some dry pohas into the pan and just wipe the rest of the seasoning. I don't want to waste it. So there, now just give it a quick mix. You can hear this dry mixing, but to that, once we add the freshly grated coconut, it will bring out some moisture in the poha. It will add it to the poha. And if you still feel that it's too dry, then see here I'm squeezing the lemon in. You can add some tamarind paste or just a quick half to 2 teaspoons of water and just give it a quick stir. So your snack is ready, your dinner is ready, your lunch is ready. However you want to eat it, this is a very, very delicious tasting, quick recipe. So do try it at home. Let me know how it comes out for you. If you haven't tried it at all, this is worth giving a try. Please share with your friends. Do like, share and subscribe. And I will meet you in my next recipe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.